So we're standing in the Carver house in West Baltimore, historic, and it's been an incredible journey. We acquired the house in November of 2020 in the middle of the pandemic, and it was sight unseen. We took down the plywood, walked inside, and saw that the skylight had fallen all the way through to the bottom, and weather had just been exposed for years, and so there really was nothing to salvage. We had to demo it. The critical piece of this was that students across the street at Carver were intimately involved with every aspect of this demo all the way to completion. We call this the Carver House. It's brand specific to Carver, the school that we're across from. Inside the masonry lab is the Carver Hut. So there's a smaller version of the house, and so students by trade are able to build in sequence and practice in a safe environment before they actually come over and apply the skills they've learned in the school in the house. So there is some skill, and then they get to apply it in a real way and work with people that have been in the trades for a long time, and so it's a really meaningful, rich learning environment experience.
I took part in the flooring when it came to this exact spot we standing on. I helped put all the plywood down, I helped frame the wall, I helped do the service cavities for the electrical and the HVAC.
Seeing the house is one thing, but all the effort of all the people behind it to get to this point, I think it is meaningful and it is inspiring, and it feels like, hey, we can do this here.